Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. In this video today I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen so that you can make Logic tutorials, Fruity Loops tutorials, all of the kind of tutorials that you want to make. I get asked this all the time by you guys, so here's the video for it. So I use two. One is free and one you have to pay for. If you want to pay, then a great one to use would be ScreenFlow. ScreenFlow is wicked, I swear by it. It costs about $120, which is about £80. You open it up, you hit record, and after the video is recorded, you move your mouse around, you do the tutorial. If you connect, I'm using a standard Apple earphones just to record on it. Once I've done that, I hit stop, it drags it into this little part here, and then I can just upload it, publish it straight to YouTube right there, or to Facebook or whatever. It's really quick, really convenient. But like I said, if you're going to use it for Logic, obviously you'd hit record, you'll do what you're doing in Logic, simple. The free version now, which most people are going to want to use just to test it, get a feel for it. I did start off using the free version, and then I upgraded to ScreenFlow, because the free version wasn't giving me kind of what I needed and the options. So the free version would be to go to applications, and then you go to QuickTime Player. Okay, double click QuickTime Player, go to File, go to New Screen Recording. Okay, select your microphone, go to External Output, and then hit record, done. Then hit stop, done. And then you have your video recorded. Yeah, so it's really simple. That's how you record your computer screen. If you're selling beats, if you're selling songs, if you're a musician, if you're any kind of artist, I highly recommend you make tutorials, because it's almost nowadays not enough to just be a rapper or a producer and upload your beats. You need to be a little bit more than that. You need to reach out. You need to give people something else. So if you're a rapper, upload tutorials on how to write hip hop lyrics, how to write rap bars to R&B, how to write rap bars to rock, how to write bars in general. How a good rapper stays motivated, how a good rapper stays inspired, how a good rapper finds beats online, where a good rapper finds beats. These are just examples. You could use all of these topics in the form of tutorials. So guide them through where you find your beats, guide them through your favorite producers' sites, guide them on how to pick the best beat, guide them on what kind of BPM they should be using. Because what you're going to do is you're going to start attracting rappers that want to follow you. They're going to want to follow you because they feel like you can help them out in their career. And then every once in a while, you can release a CD or product and say, listen, check out my CD. Just purchasing it for $5 or $6 or $10 will be able to support me and keep me making these tutorials so that you can keep growing and succeeding. It's that simple. So sometimes in life, you have to give to get. You have to give to get. It's such a cliche. But if we follow the cliches in life, we can do just fine, because life is simple if we allow it to be. And that's why cliches are really simple, because life is actually simple. Sometimes we confuse it and we complicate things. So tutorials are great for actually building a fan base, building a following base. Like I've managed to build relationships with loads of you. So many opportunities has opened for me ever since I recorded my first Logic tutorial, which was for Drake. It was a Drake tutorial. Since then, it's at about 60,000 hits now. Loads of comments, loads of likes. A lot of people still tuning in. So yeah, that's literally today's video. If you've got any questions, drop them below. Let me know what if you are a rapper or producer or a singer or whatever. Let me know what topics you would like to see me cover for you, so that you can grow your fan base or grow your skill or your talent. And let me know how I can support you. So yeah, that's your boy 30 signing out. But bow. That's it. Peace.